Tonight, new details on the Democratic governors of California, Oregon, Washington, and now Hawaii's West Coast Health Alliance in the wake of growing concerns at the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Fox 40's Juliette Smith reports for us with more here at 6.
The new West Coast Health Alliance aims to establish what they say is a shared commitment to public health. I spoke with public health experts in California to learn why the 4 governors would take such a step. 4 Democratic governors standing up for health and slamming what they call the politicization of science. A joint statement from the first 3 governors in the alliance says, in part, the CDC has become a political tool that increasingly peddles ideology instead of science, ideology that will lead to severe health consequences. The alliance, which now includes Hawaii, will share immunization recommendations based on scientific research. It's the latest Democrat-led challenge to the CDC scaling back on vaccine requirements and Florida's plan to phase out childhood vaccine mandates. The director of the California Department of Public Health is on board with the alliance, releasing a statement that says, in part, the dismantling of public health and dismissal of experienced and respected health leaders and advisors, along with the lack of using science, data, and evidence to improve our nation's health, are placing lives at risk. Have any of your patients expressed concern and confusion about whether to trust the CDC or state officials?
Every day, every shift. Absolutely. The misinformation is rampant.
An emergency physician with the California Medical Association calls the new alliance a welcome response.
We have 4 state bodies of public health and science that can be relied upon as a trusted, continuous voice that is not at the whims of an election cycle.
The alliance comes amid a rise in COVID-19 and other vaccine-preventable diseases.
We're seeing upticks in, diseases that we haven't seen in decades, measles and pertussis.
Oregon Senator Ron Wyden confirming with Fox 40 that he fully supports this new alliance after challenging Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s alleged crusade on vaccines on Thursday.
Robert Kennedy's primary interest is to take vaccines away from Americans. Robert Kennedy fired every member, every single one of the group responsible for making vaccine recommendations to doctors.
Meanwhile, a U.S. Department of Health and Human Services spokesperson said Americans have already lost trust in public health officials because of the Democrat-led response to the pandemic. Now, the California Medical Association recommends speaking with your doctor as well as any local public health officials to clear up any questions that you may have about vaccinations. For now, reporting at the Capitol, covering local news that matters. Juliette Smith, Fox 40 News.